keep on pressing it until it breaks out. Another video, I'm going to show you how you can put this iPhone 7 into DFU mode or recovery mode. So what you do, you can see it's showing it's a board connect to iTunes. So I have to connect it to iTunes so that it can be totally refreshed. So what you do, you first connect the USB into a computer, then you plug it into the phone before doing anything. After putting in the phone, it has started to charge. After that, then you click side button and volume down button and keep on pressing it until you see the screen breaking out. You start, volume down, power side button. You keep on pressing it even though you see this. You wait for the screen to pop up. When it pops up and you see an Apple logo, you keep on pressing it until you see connect to iTunes. This is the recovery mode which we have been trying to put in. And to exit this recovery mode, you keep on pressing side button and volume down button. You go and keep on pressing it until it breaks out. See, it has bracked out. Then you wait for it to go on.